Hey, what's up everyone? This is another video about Irtra Xetulul, the Guatemalan amusement park. This is just something I took at night. I have the very first video in the description below and on the notification around here, so please give it a glimpse. This vid simply shows how Christmas time is celebrated in the amusement park and gives a glimpse to the Italian restaurant they have in the park. There was a parade and a cool fireworks show at the end. Hope you enjoy it.